Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2002 Kawasaki Ninja 250. This is Kawasaki's entry-level sport motorcycle. Has a 249cc, 2-cylinder engine, carbureted, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. The bike has only 21,245 miles on the odometer. This bike is all stock and runs great. Has new tires, front and rear. Bike runs very nicely, very smooth, lightweight, low seat height, user-friendly engine. Makes it a great bike to learn how to ride. And a good price at only $19.95 with finance options available. Stop on by at Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.